Hey guys, some of you requested to make a tips video how to make screeches on SERUM. This is a screech from my HARDSTYLE Soundset HARDSTYLE Screeches Screech 1. This. And first of all I will show how it sounds. Nothing really special, but I actually didn't change nothing from the presets. You can copy the presets, or if you have this Soundset, then grab the first screech. There is a lot of them, of course. It's 111. Hey, effects, nothing fancy. Little bit of the matrix. And yeah, nothing fancy, simple pattern. I will also add this project file for the SERUM Screeches Soundset. Now let's disable the effects and I will enable one by one. It's already sounds really screamy. Ah, right, I just changed this distortion and nothing else. Then what I did is EQ. I cut out this low end, boosting a little bit mids and highs, and of course enabling this auto gain. Then I added the phaser, little bit of the movement to the screech. Simply copy the settings. Then I added M-Tremolo, it's free plugin, and rate all the way up and def a little bit, 32. And I EQ'd it, not EQ'd, I distorted it with Command Trash Clip Control, added a little bit of the drive, took down mix and that. And again the EQ, because now we hear a lot of the muddy sound. Where is this EQ? Right here. What I did there is I did low end cut, made dynamic highs and mids. It's like compressing some frequencies. It's like compressor. Then I just added delay and reverb. Of course, better make it an send channel, but just for the showing you out, then I did it this way. And here you go, simple lead. See you in next video, guys.